Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making this Coco Goya Pina Colada mix. So everything that we need is right here. We've got our blender over here, we've got our mix, we've got some rum, and we've got 3 cups of ice. So we're just going to combine them all into our mixer and get going. All right, we've got all of our pina colada mix in there. We're gonna move on to the rum. We need 4 ounces of rum. This obviously is more than 4, so I'm gonna do 1/2 a cup of rum in here. Then we're gonna take our 3 cups of ice. I did crushed ice just to make it easier, but just put in your 3 cups and we're gonna pour it right on top. All right, we're gonna put the lid on our blender. If you wanna know which one we're using, I will link it down below. So we're just gonna turn this on and then we're gonna do smoothie. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, our mixing is done. I'm gonna shut off our blender. Now I did smoothie because I don't like a whole lot of ice chunks in my blended drinks. Of course, if you want yours a little bit icier, you could always do the ice crush. But here is what we've got with our smoothie blend. We're gonna pour this out here. All right guys, that's what we've got. If you wanna know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna review this and tell you whether we would buy it again. In the meantime though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.